Every spring, VetPAC partners with North Carolina State University's Pre-Veterinary Club to support student attendance at the American Pre-Veterinary Medical Association's annual Symposium. During this weekend-long conference, participants have the opportunity to attend a variety of lectures on current topics in the field of veterinary medicine, hands-on laboratory activities, and to hear from various keynote speakers within different specialties. In addition to these educational opportunities, participants have the chance to network with peers and to explore other colleges of veterinary medicine. Students that attend APVMA can apply for research funding, study abroad scholarships, and pre-veterinary awards, as well as compete for national leadership positions within the American Pre-Veterinary Medical Association. Students interested in learning more about attending the APVMA Annual Symposium should check out VetPAC's website to learn more.